Come on, come on, come on. Ah, come on, eh? Come on. 10.4 volts is not good enough to get the car started. I need to charge it up, get up to 12.6 volts. You may be wondering, how come the battery's so flat? The car's been sat about for weeks on end whilst helping it work. Come on, let's go. Result. Let's get back to fixing this car and getting it MOT ready. Time to give the car a much needed service. Out of the old, just undo these two clips. Peel it back. Expose this. It's a little bit dirty, not too bad. Trash. Gonna give it a new air filter. And a new oil filter. We're just to put in the oil. Removing the old rusted out brake lines. Dude, this just exploded. What I'm doing just now is just cutting a new brake line to a workable length. I don't have a fancy pipe bending tool, so I'm going to use an old socket. And I'm making a join between the old brake line and the new one. If you're interested in making your own brake pipe and saving a lot of money, I've done a video on it. If you just watch this to the very end, and you can click on it at the end screen. And just pump this up to 10 psi. I'm just going to bleed the brakes and see all these little air bubbles passing through. That's trapped air in the brake fluid. Just going to apply a layer of copper grease. Finally, the car is finished. I've given it a service, I've replaced brakes, I've changed brake lines. I just got to hope that it will pass its MOT. Of course it passed!